Hey guys, welcome back to our new video. We recently received one of our customers for assistance in Shelly Cashman Excel 2016 Module 9 SAM Project 1B. Our client provided us some file attachments you can see on your screen, with full instructions to understand the problem. To complete this assignment, follow steps ahead. Here's a summarized solution process for each problem. Step 1. Setup. Open the file and save it as instructed. Ensure your name is in cell B6. Install the solver add-in if needed. Step 2. Fix errors. Music Programs Worksheet. Correct the divide by zero error in cell B14 using trace precedents and copy the formula to C14, F14. Fix the name error in cell B17 using error checking. Step 3. Data validation. Add whole number validation, greater than 0, to B7, F9 on the program enrollment worksheet, with input messages and error alerts. Step 4. Goal Seek. Use Goal Seek to achieve income goals for Level 2, Level 1, and Novice lessons by adjusting fees or enrollment numbers. Step 5. Scenarios. On the current rates worksheet, add scenarios for average and low enrollment. Update values as per instructions. Step 6. Scenario reports. Create a scenario summary report and a pivot table report on the new rates worksheet to compare profits across rate changes. Step 7. Solver. Use Solver on the new schedule worksheet to maximize weekly profit while meeting constraints. Save and produce an answer report. Step 8. Final steps. Mark the workbook as final, save changes, and submit as directed. If you need our help, we provide two types of solution services. First service is an old solution we already have but that might prompt as plagiarized when someone tries to submit because it has already been used. Second service is to complete it using your given start file and do it completely original. To avail of our help on any assignment, you can contact us on WhatsApp at +44 730 965 5268 or log into our website hhelpinhomework.org and chat with a customer support agent. Thank you for watching this.